Good afternoon and welcome. My name is Sussex Sandra and welcome to my channel. This afternoon I am going to be doing an unboxing. Not quite sure what the box is. It arrived this morning. Just having a quick look. Okay, it's a monthly thing, so I'm assuming it must be my daughter's bettybox. Now, for those of you who don't know, bettybox is a monthly subscription box. It's based around a woman's menstrual cycle, her period each month. It's a monthly thing. They do two subscription boxes each month. One is the pink parcel, which is aimed at sort of adults, and the Betty box is aimed at sort of girls, teenagers who, you know, who are discovering their bodies and learning about their bodies and so on. So it's the same sort of thing. It's got the sanitary towels in there, so you'll get a choice of sanitary towels or tampons. And then you'll and you also get your beauty treats as well. Right, so this is the box. This is what it looks like. It costs £12.99. And let's have a look, see what's inside it. Let's open this up. I get the Betty box for my daughter, my teenage daughter. Actually, now a young lady. She's just turned 18, but I know she'll still enjoy getting this box. And that's what it looks like on the inside. They seem to have changed the boxes a bit, because in the pink parcel I got the wrong sanitary towels. I think that was right. Yes, I got the wrong sanitary towels, and they did say they were going to send me replacements. They haven't sent the replacements as yet, but we shall see. And also in the pink parcel, was a little bit upset with the box. It wasn't great. So let's see what the Betty box is. Pink parcel, Betty box, they've been taken over by another company now. So there are some changes, which I think we're all starting to notice, those of us who subscribe to it. Pink parcel and Betty box, they've been taken over by another company. I can't remember what the name of the company is. They were taken over in sort of December last month, and we all got an email saying that's a new company's taken over. And I think most of us noticed in our January boxes and in our December boxes that the products we received weren't that exciting. A lot of products that we've received before. So I want to see if they're doing the same thing with Betty box. I'm hoping that it's just teething and they're just settling into the new regime and the new ownership. I think this will be the box where we'll start to see if it's going to be maintaining the same quality, or if Betty box pink parcel are really going to start sliding downwards. So let's see. So in this bag you've got the regular towels. Yeah, you've got your regular towels and panty liners, and these are the ones that you can put inside your handbag, your college bag, your rucksack and so on. It looks like, yeah, so I'm just making sure, because I've chosen the level 4 sanitary towels for my daughter, which is for sort of like grown-up girls, young women basically, and it's also got panty liners in there, so I'm just making sure that's still the same. This is the box with the rest of the towels that should last the duration of your period. And again, I've noticed that in this box they haven't included any nighttime towels, so I don't know if that's the thing they're doing now. They're just not including nighttime towels now. Ooh, so the box costs £12.99. It hasn't changed price, but we're getting less already, we are seeing. So this is the treat box. They call it the Wants, and I'm very intrigued to find out if we are going to have decent quality, same sort of standard, or as I said, if the standard is going down. So let's have a look in there, and I'm already seeing items in there that have been received before, many times before. Right, so let's go through this. Again, there's no leaflet, so there's no leaflet. So in the pink parcel we didn't get our pink parcel post, and in the Betty box there isn't a leaflet in here either. Oh dear, oh dear, oh dear. Right, anyway, let's go through the first item. So we've got this again from Magnetone, and it's a wipe-out cloth. This is a cloth that literally it helps to take off your makeup, removes your makeup really easily. Soft on both sides. Literally all you need is water and it will remove all of your makeup. I've got quite a few of these and they are very good. They do take off your makeup. I still use a cleanser when I use these, and then I take this off, and it's very effective in taking off your makeup. And you will have to wash it at least if this is the only cloth you've got. You will have to use it after a couple of uses, but if you continue with the beauty boxes, you're bound to get more during the year. So that's the first item. So it's a product that we have received before. Next is a tea from Retouch, and it's an English rose tea. That's for me, so I'll take that because my daughter doesn't drink tea, so I'm just going to take that straight away, to be honest. Then we also have a hand cream. We've received this before. I'm literally not seeing anything inside this box that we haven't seen before, so it looks like they're just clearing out the warehouse. So I am not happy already. So we've got this from this brand, what's it called? Bay. So we've received this hand cream before. Might not have been the same fragrance, but we've definitely received this hand cream before. It's a decent hand cream. It's okay. Nothing special, but it's okay. We have, what have we got here? I'll show you this. So what is this? This is Star Drops. What's it called? Oh, it's from Jelly Pong Pong. I don't know what it is. Probably, yeah. So it's from Jelly Pong Pong. It's just one of those highlighters that you can just drop on your face and you can use it. Again, this is all repeat items, so I'm literally thinking that this box, and I know a couple of my subscribers have said this in my pink parcel box, I think what it is, whilst this new company is bedding into the new systems, they're just clearing their old stock, and they haven't created a leaflet for all of this old stock, because it is just old stock. We've got a highlighter here, yeah, from Stabilo. That was in a box last year, which was very much back to school. I think it was like, a September, August box. It was like a back to school, back to college box, which had highlighters and notepads and things like that in there. This is the chocolate we've got. A little small bar of chocolate. Because we do need chocolates for when, I think most women need something sweet when they start their period. You just have a craving for something sweet. So this is the little chocolate that we've got. It's very small. I've never heard of this make before. Choc Stars. There you go. And then we've got this before, which is a peel off mask, and I'm particularly annoyed about this because we've got this in the pink parcel box, but I know my daughter got this, I think she got this either in the November box or even possibly the December box of the Betty box. So it really is, we literally only got this a couple months ago and they're repeating it again in January, so I'm not impressed. I really am not impressed. So for £12.99, this box, yes, the value is there in the £12.99, but the products are not exciting. Really poor. Really poor. Because it's all repeat items, things that we've received before. There's nothing exciting there. We're missing the nighttime towels, and there is no leaflet. So as I said in my pink parcel video, I think they're literally just recycling goods whilst this new company settles in. So again, same thing as I said for my pink parcel video. I'm going to see what happens over the next couple of months. So I'm going to continue for February and March, and if they don't improve, then I'll be unsubscribing, and that'll be a real disappointment because I have loved pink parcel over the last couple of years. So we shall see. Very disappointed, and I know my daughter will like all the stuff, but I know she's going to be disappointed with this as well. So oh dear, here we go. Oh dear. If you received Betty box, what did you think of this month's box? Did you receive the same items I have? What are you thinking? How are your feelings regarding Betty box and pink parcel? Are you sort of thinking the same thing as me, that you're just going to watch and see what happens over the next month or so? Or are you just going to cancel? Because that's what I'm kind of thinking at the moment, but I am going to hold on for a couple of months. Just let me know what you think down below, alright? Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, even though I'm a little bit peed off about this box. Thanks for watching anyway. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a thumbs up down below. And if you haven't done so already, what are you waiting for? Come on now, you know what you need to do. Just press that little red button down below where it says subscribe. Press that, and whilst you're at it, you might as well press the little bell, because then that will notify you when I do my next upload. Alright, take care, speak to you soon. Bye.